Hey folks, it's Todd with some gardening tips for today. This is just a little mixed flower pot. Wanted to show you a little bit about what's in it and how to take care of it for the summer. These are mostly annuals. This is a verbena. It should vine out and get thick as long as I deadhead the spent blooms. Uh, this is a petunia, same with it. Feather celosia. Uh, not real sure. I will deadhead that, and hopefully it will get bigger and come up taller, and maybe get some more blooms. This is creeping Jenny. I just let it go. It comes back year after year. It even in this pot. And this is an elephant ear that I had last year and kept it over winter in the greenhouse, and now it's coming back out. So it should get really big. Uh, but to sort of keep this looking pretty and healthy, you deadhead any spent blooms. For example, down here, you would pinch back right there, pinch back right there. When you do that, it helps it to branch out, stay thick and healthy. I would deadhead the same with this petunia. I go back to where it comes out, pinch it off, keep that healthy, and it stays more. It blooms more and stays bushier. And like I said, the creeping Jenny, I'll just let it go. It kind of does its thing. Hopefully this can come up. Maybe I can deadhead it, get it to be a little bit bushier and taller, and this should shoot way up. Uh, I keep it watered. Uh, I don't let it dry out. So if it starts to feel dry, I water it. So it doesn't want to get real dry at all. Uh, and that's about it for today. So hit like and subscribe, and see you later.